Hi, everyone. Let's learn today about the scale of wind force and sea state called Beaufort scale. On the ship you use the ship's anemometer and the wind vane that measure the speed and the direction of the wind. Then by Beaufort scale you define the wind force and approximate wave's height in the open sea if it's not possible to define visually, and record all weather observations in logbook. On the ship, the Beaufort scale you can find in the Mariner's Handbook, MP 100. Also, you can find interesting information on the website of Met Office. Let's see what different wind forces look like in the open sea. Force 0. Description: calm. Deep sea criterion: sea like a mirror. Wind speed: less than 1 knot, 0 to 0.2 meters per second. Description and forecast: calm. State of sea: calm. Probable height of waves: 0.0 meters. Force 1. Description: light air. Deep sea criterion: ripples with the appearance of scales are formed, but without foam crests. Wind speed: 1 to 3 knots, 0.3 to 1.5 meters per second. Description and forecast: light. State of sea: calm. Probable height of waves: 0.1 meters. Force 2. Description: light breeze. Deep sea criterion: small wavelets, still short but more pronounced. Crests have a glassy appearance and do not break. Wind speed: 4 to 6 knots, 1.6 to 3.3 meters per second. Description and forecast: light. State of sea: smooth. Probable height of waves: 0.2 to 0.3 meters. Force 3. Description: gentle breeze. Deep sea criterion: large wavelets. Crests begin to break. Foam of glassy appearance. Perhaps scattered white horses. Wind speed: 7 to 10 knots, 3.4 to 5.4 meters per second. Description and forecast: light. State of sea: smooth. Probable height of waves: 0.6 to 1.0 meters. Force 4. Description: moderate breeze. Deep sea criterion: small waves becoming longer, fairly frequent white horses. Wind speed: 11 to 16 knots, 5.5 to 7.9 meters per second. Description and forecast: moderate. State of sea: slight. Probable height of waves: 1.0 to 1.5 meters. Force 5. Description: fresh breeze. Deep sea criterion: moderate waves taking a more pronounced long form. Many white horses are formed. Chance of some spray. Wind speed: 17 to 21 knots, 8.0 to 10.7 meters per second. Description and forecast: fresh. State of sea: moderate. Probable height of waves: 2.0 to 2.5 meters. Force 6. Description: strong breeze. Deep sea criterion: large waves begin to form. The white foam crests are more extensive everywhere. Probably some spray. Wind speed: 22 to 27 knots, 10.8 to 13.8 meters per second. Description and forecast: strong. State of sea: rough. Probable height of waves: 3.0 to 4.0 meters. Force 7. Description: near gale. Deep sea criterion: Sea heaps up, and white foam from breaking waves begins to be blown in streaks along the direction of the wind. Wind speed 28 to 33 knots, 13.9 to 17.1 meters per second. Description and forecast: strong. State of sea: very rough. Probable height of waves: 4.0 to 5.5 meters. Force 8. Description: gale. Deep sea criterion: moderate high waves of greater length. Edges of crests begin to break into spindrift. The foam is blown in well-marked streaks along the direction of the wind. Wind speed 34 to 40 knots, 17.2 to 20.7 meters per second. Description and forecast: gale. State of sea: high. Probable height of waves: 5.5 to 7.5 meters. Force 9. Description: strong gale. Deep sea criterion: high waves. Dense streaks of foam along the direction of the wind. Crests of waves begin to topple, tumble, and roll over. Spray may affect visibility. Wind speed 41 to 47 knots, 20.8 to 24.4 meters per second. Description and forecast: severe gale. State of sea: very high. Probable height of waves: 7.0 to 10.0 meters. Force 10. Description: storm. Deep sea criterion: very high waves with long overhanging crests. The resulting foam, in great patches, is blown in dense white streaks along the direction of the wind. On the whole, the surface of the sea takes on a white appearance. The tumbling of the sea becomes heavy and shock-like. Visibility affected. Wind speed 48 to 55 knots, 24.5 to 28.4 meters per second. Description and forecast: storm. State of sea: very high. Probable height of waves: 9.0 to 12.5 meters. Force 11. Description: violent storm. Deep sea criterion: exceptionally high waves. Small and medium-sized ships might be for a time lost behind the waves. The sea is completely covered with long white patches of foam lying along the direction of the wind. Everywhere the edges of the wave crests are blown into froth. Visibility affected. Wind speed 56 to 63 knots, 28.5 to 32.6 meters per second. Description and forecast: violent storm. State of sea: phenomenal. Probable height of waves: 11.5 to 16.0 meters. Force 12. Description: hurricane. Deep sea criterion: the air is filled with foam and spray. Sea completely white with driving spray. Visibility very seriously affected. Wind speed 64 and over knots, 32.7 meters per second and over. Description and forecast: hurricane force. State of sea: phenomenal. Probable height of waves: 14.0 meters. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, see you in the next video.